Riwruok mar joma ne omiyo orak gi kaunti ma Kisii okwayo jotelo mag piny owacho mamalo kod mago mag kaunti mondo okas chudo mag gope mag tije mane osetim kaka yo mar miyo joma ne otiyo ne kaunti konyruok e kindeni matelo manyien donjo e tich e counties mopogore opogore. Gikwayo jatend Kenya moyier William Ruto mondo otine jo Kenya duto mar jiwo chumi mar piny Kenya ka gikwayo jo Kenya mondo osidh lwedo telo manyien.
Most of our contractors have died because of the burning bills. We have suffered a long way, but we know the new regime is going to attack this problem and we are going to be saved. Let them be our savior now as we hand over our problems to them. Within 100 days, I know they are going to do something good.
And therefore, I request him to work with our governor, Honorable Simbarati, so that our Kisii county to grow up.
And as far as our county is concerned, I want to take also this opportunity as the Kisii County Contractors Association Secretary General to thank His Excellency Honorable Paul Simba for the Kisiis who elected him. And we want to give him ample time so that he is going to serve the people of Kisii, because we know the expectations are up there. We cannot have the luxury to drag him behind by any other gymnastics or acrobatics. We are saying